Welcome to the ESChat tutorial on how to make a single or one-to-one call from the Channels tab. To make a call from the Channels tab, select the desired channel, then press RX. You'll see the description below change from Channel Disabled to Standby. To select to talk on this channel, select TX. This enables the PTT button. Press Push to Talk to initiate the call. Upon hearing the grant tone, begin speaking. Release the PTT button when you are finished speaking. The call will idle timeout when the configurable hang timer expires, or you may press RX to manually end the call. This can be done from the Channels tab or the expanded Call Widget. Press the Call Widget to expand. The Call Widget displays in-call information, such as who is transmitting and when the call is idle. To end the call, press RX. To exit the Call Widget, press anywhere outside the Call Widget window. For additional assistance, contact ESChat support 24/7, 365.